Hi, I'm Ian Hazelwood. We're at Cine Expo 2022, the inaugural show, the first of many, we hope, here in Munich. Joined by Onno from Solid Grip Systems. Good to see you again.
Thank you. Good to see you again.
It's been a while.
It's been 2 years that we had the show.
Yeah. I mean, we spoke briefly the other day, and you got through the whole lockdown thing okay, but it was tough, wasn't it?
It was tough. It was waiting. It was hoping to get some orders in, and it was stop and running. But it was okay. I had some good time off, and luckily enough, I've got some other business as well. So,
and you're busy now, though, aren't you?
It's very busy now. They're catching up.
Yeah.
It's
Well, actually, it's interesting. You said that you were lucky that you got a lot of spare parts in stock because people started ordering those to repair stuff.
Yeah, instead of buying new kits, they were just repairing and replacing and refurbishing.
Yeah.
It's very funny to get it recognized. So instead of orders of 3, 5, 8,000 euros, I had orders of 16 euros. And shipping was more expensive than the part itself. So it was fun though.
Yeah. It was quite scary, actually. Now you've got some great new products here.
Yeah.
As ever, looking, fantastically designed, really ergonomic, and So talk me through this little beast first. Come on.
This little beast first. It's a twin dolly, but now it's got a motor on it. And
is this the first driven one you've produced? The first motor?
No. We've produced multiple ones. We're already working on it about, let's say for 10 years, 15 years by now. And we were never really satisfied because we wanted to have a motor which would go very fast without sound. And the same motor should go very slow without vibration. And it was very hard to balance it out.
Yes.
And now we finally got everything under control with this motor, which is very simple. It's just a handset and a power supply, and that's it.
Yeah.
But if you unplug, you can add it to a laptop,
Right.
and you've got motion control.
Excellent.
So we're very happy.
Yeah, that's good.
And just to be funny, the show opened at 10, and this one arrived at 10:15.
Which proves how quick and easy it is to set up.
Exactly.
That's fantastic.
So, and furthermore, we've changed the design of the twin dolly. We made it more edgy.
Right. Yeah.
So the sharp corners are off. Some additional holes.
Yeah.
Also, we have been doing small bits and pieces and refurbishing.
I guess that gave you time to look at your whole range, didn't it?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly, and give time to get to experiment with things without having the pressure of new orders.
Well, that's the thing, isn't it? It takes time to develop these things, doesn't it?
Yes. It takes time to. Well, the bigger thing is most of the times you have an issue. You want to create a problem instead of creating the issue. I'm sorry.
Yeah. Got a solution and a problem.
Most of the time, people make solutions for a non-existent problem.
Yeah.
So first you have to face the problem or the issue, and then find the best way to go around.
Yeah.
And that takes time. That's a creative process.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. One of the things you just demonstrated to me is the strength of your rails here by standing on them.
Yeah. It's that's the way they are designed. And people often ask, trade show, what's the payload? And I don't give them an answer, but I show them the answer.
Jump on it.
And jump on it. Yeah.
And the other system you've got being able to adjust the width of the rails. Again, it's a really elegant and simple solution to it.
Yeah. What we have here is the centerfold tracks. Normal scissoring tracks fold like this. So if you have a 5-foot section, it will get 7 foot in transportation.
Yeah.
But now we've got the centerfolds, which folds flat to each other. So a 5-foot section in transport is a 5-foot section. So your footprint in transport is much lower.
Yeah.
And we made a smaller system for the centerfold to go from the standard width to smaller width with plates in it, which you.
Yeah. And it's, how much of this is, you have to innovate like you say, it's interesting process of looking where an issue is and coming up with a solution to it, and then you've got a lot of customers, I'm sure, with a wish list of things they want.
Well, I used to be a grip on set, so I was using my own gear, and I saw what was wrong with it, so I could make the improvements. I'm not on set anymore, and I really do miss the shooting, really. Yeah. But I get a lot of information from people. But I know what I'm talking about because I've been there.
Yeah. You've had all the problems before.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Well, it's great to see you again.
Yes.
I hope the show is successful for you. We seem to have quite a few people come through the doors, so fingers crossed it'll be a good one.
Yeah, it was difficult to squeeze this interview in, so it sounds great.
Good to see you.
Okay, thank you. Cheers.